What's the actual difference between generative AI and agentic AI? And more importantly, which one should you be building with? I see a lot of confusion about this, so let's break it down in a way that actually makes sense for your next project. First up, generative AI, or GenAI. Think ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney. These are your content creators. You give them a prompt, they generate something new like text, code, images, videos, and more. Here's the thing. GenAI is reactive, so it waits for you to ask, then it responds. It's like having a really smart intern who's great at creating stuff, but needs you to tell them what to do with every single item. Under the hood, GenAI systems run on large language models, or LLMs, that are trained on massive datasets. Each version of these LLMs are trained up until a specific date and time, which means any new data is not considered if it was created after the training date of that LLM. Here's where it gets interesting. Many production systems are using something called RAG. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation, and it's a game changer. Instead of just relying on training data, RAG systems can pull in real-time information from external data sources. Your documentation, databases, APIs, whatever, even after the cutoff training dates of the LLMs. Think about it. A base LLM knows general programming concepts, but with RAG, it can access your specific code base, your company's coding standards, and your latest documentation. It's like giving your AI system a search engine for domain-specific knowledge. This is huge because it solves the knowledge cutoff problem and lets you customize AI behavior without retraining massive models. Now, agentic AI, completely different beast. These systems don't just generate, they act. They make decisions that take actions and work towards goals without you babysitting them. Think incident response systems that detect outages, identify root causes, and automatically roll back deployments or scale resources. Even customer support agents that can access your knowledge base, check order status, process refunds, and escalate complex issues, all without human intervention. The key word here is autonomous. While GenAI waits for prompts, agentic AI is out there doing things. So what's the core difference? Purpose and autonomy. GenAI excels at creation and synthesis. Need to write documentation, generate test cases, create marketing copy? GenAI is your friend. Agentic AI excels at execution and decision-making. Need to optimize your infrastructure costs in real time? Automatically respond to security threats? Manage complex workflows? That's where agents shine. Here's a practical example. A GenAI system might help you write a deployment script. An agentic AI system would monitor your deployments, detect issues, and fix them automatically. Now, let's talk implementation. Both approaches need serious compute power. We're talking GPUs, lots of RAM, and robust infrastructure. Here's where they differ. GenAI systems are typically stateless. Each interaction is independent. Agentic systems need to maintain state, integrate with APIs, and often require real-time data feeds. Agentic AI is generally more complex to build and deploy. You're not just training a model, you're building a system that can interact with the real world. Here's what's exciting. This isn't always an either-or choice. Some of the most powerful systems combine both approaches. GenAI systems that can trigger actions and agentic systems that use generative models for decision-making. The bottom line, GenAI creates, agentic AI acts. Both have their place in your toolkit. So next time someone asks you about AI, you'll know exactly which flavor fits their use case.